Hi friends, Miss Janet from the Stouffville Library, and I have a STEM activity for you to do today. I hope you will try this because it is so much fun. We're going to make a Pom Pom popper snowman. So a snowman who is popping out like snowballs, except they're pom-poms, so it can't hurt anyone. So here is my snowman, and I hope you're ready for this. Oops. I'm going to give you a demo. So that was just a little brr, but he can send those pom-poms flying. So what you need to do is find a paper cup, and it's good if it's white, but I didn't have a white cup, so I've covered mine in paper. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get, and you'll probably need some help, get a pair of scissors or something you can poke a hole in the bottom, because you need to open up the bottom of your cup. So this one is styrofoam, and I've covered one. I've used styrofoam as well, but the paper one is a little bit bigger, so that makes it fun. But whatever size you have, and like I said, if you don't have white, you can cover it with paper so that you can make him look like a snowman. So you're gonna open up the bottom of your cup. Doesn't have to be perfect, so just open it up. Get a white balloon. Hopefully you have a white balloon. Just blow it up a little bit. Okay, and then what you need to do is just cut off the curve. So open up the end of your balloon, and then you're going to tie this closed. So knot it at the end. So I've knotted it. I've cut open the balloon, so I will show you. There it is. And then you're just going to put it over top that open end of your cup, whatever cup you're using, and pull it up the sides. And then to hold it securely in place, you're going to need some electrical tape. And I just happen to have some cool blue, but you might have some red or some yellow, and you're just going to secure your balloon to your cup with that electrical tape. So put it all the way around. And then what you get to do is draw on the face of your snowman. So I've just used a black marker and an orange marker, and I've given him his eyes, his carrot nose, and his mouth, and maybe you want to give him some buttons, whatever you want. And then I cut out of some brown paper to make it look like twig arms, and I've just taped them on. So there you have it. There's my balloon sticking out the bottom. There's his face. And the balloon is being held on with that electrical tape, and he's ready to pop some pom-poms. So maybe you have small pom-poms like I did, or maybe you have bigger pom-poms, so you can check out and see. You can have a challenge. Which ones do you think will fly further? The small pom-poms or bigger pom-poms? And would you want to do one at a time or more than one at a time? Might be fun to do a whole bunch and see how far the furthest one goes. So I hope that you're going to make a snowman out of just a paper cup, or like I said, a styrofoam cup. Cut the end out, get a white balloon, tape it on with some electrical tape, put on his face, get some pom-poms, put them into your popper. There, I've got some in there, and I can just pop away. And then they went. Have fun, and I will see you soon with another idea. Have a great day.